Welcome to this video on using column multiplication to multiply decimals. Let's have a look at a few questions together. The first question is 18 times by 0.7. The key to unlocking this type of question is to turn the decimal into a whole number. 0.7 times by 10 is 7. I'm going to work out the answer to 18 times 7. 7 times 8 is 56. 7 times 1 is 7. Add the extra 5, 12. The answer to 18 times 7 is 126. Because I made 0.7 10 times larger, I now need to make my answer 10 times smaller. 126 divided by 10 is 12.6. And that's my answer to 18 times by 0.7. Let's have a look at a second question. 45 times by 2.1. Once again, the key is to turn 2.1 into a whole number. Times it by 10 to make it into 21. So I'm going to work out the answer to 45 times by 21. Let's start with the ones. 1 times 5 is 5. 1 times 4, 4. We're going to move on to the tens and use 0 as a place value holder. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 4 is 8. Add the extra 1, 9. The total answer is 945. Because I made 2.1 10 times bigger to make it into 21, I now need to make my answer 10 times smaller. 945 divided by 10 is 94.5. So the answer to 45 times by 2.1 is 94.5. And there you have it. That's how you use column multiplication to multiply decimals. Thank you for watching this video. You can find links to more resources in the description below.